wait just a second. This is not a course where you're going to learn how to just come up and generate photography with AI tools. What this course is an honest and responsible guide to being a photographer, but being able to utilize some of the really cool AI tools that are out there. In no way is this course meant to replace you with this guy out there taking photos for you. In this course, we'll cover 5 main categories of tools and things you can do with AI. For each topic or section, I'll go over the different use cases and break down what you can do within photo editing, for example, using AI tools. I'll cover the recommended tools that I suggest, and then the rest of the section is going to be diving into real-world demonstrations where I quickly show you how to use the tools. Keep watching the free preview lessons, the first and second videos of the class to learn why this skill is such an important one for photographers, how this course will work, and then 5 ideas just to get you started and get the brain rolling with ideas for what you can use AI for as a photographer. All right, see you there.